I'm back. I came back. Y'all really thought I was just gonna not show up. I woke up late. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up late, but I'm here. And that's all that matters. Oh yeah, I'm excited for today. But I can't get over myself and think, okay, let's just get in right now. Because I could see that happening. I could see myself just trying to get overly hyped and get in for no reason. But I'm ready. I'm here. I'm here. Let's make this as boring as possible. Let's see. Well, for those who don't know, I am Playboy Francis, and I'm trying to make 10K before I go to a combine. I am following the top set rules in this 10K challenge. That's about it. We got no news today. We have no news tomorrow. We have that right there. What's going on? Infinity stock. There we go. Okay, we're bullish. And we're lagging. So I thought we were high resistance. I was going to get a quick scalp, thinking price was going to go rebalance this fair value gap. I mean, inverse fair value gap. Apparently not. So I guess it's on a low. Since price didn't go back down here and rebalance this, I am saying that we're in a low resistance liquidity run. So I feel very confident with where I got in. Because if it's low resistance to the upside, I could basically get anywhere in the first and second quarter level. First, second, and my stop is at the very bottom, so I wouldn't want to see it go below that. I would want to see institutional sponsorship. I would want to see it start just rocket fueling when it tags that. There's relative equal highs. There's relative equal highs here. Note to self. Note to self would be define the high and low resistance liquidity run for the overall market, not just the low fractal in price. I got that stuck in my head. Let's see, rocket fuel to those levels. And I like that. where are we in lunch? Man, I'm so off. Okay, we consolidate here. Okay, we consolidated here. That means lunch should expand. So what does that mean for me? So if this was all consolidation, you know, did you to swing lower, trade back higher? I feel confident. Yeah, no. Yeah, let's leave it there. This is the worst spot we'd want to see it just consolidate. If we could just break the 30 level, I would feel a whole lot more confident. If we break 21,730, I'm very confident that we'll go here. I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And we enter the 1250 macro. Bro, I didn't even do what do you call it? I didn't do an audio check. Okay, yeah, audio's working. We fine. Okay, 50 macro, we should start spooling. I want to see how we respond to the 21,730. I want to see if we could just like break through it and possibly close above it. So I'm anticipating where this market wants it close. I want to see it close above that key level. If it closes above that key level, I might even take this a little higher. Dun, 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 I feel good. Man, how's your guys this morning? My morning is doing good. I'm good. Okay, bet. That's all I gotta do. Just keep it like that. I'll take that off. Let's take that off. Oh yeah, that could have been my second. Yeah. Yeah, I got lazy. I got lazy. You know, all I had to do was put the fibs on the candles and figure out that there was a PD array. Yeah, I definitely got lazy. I gotta do a better job at doing my job. Dun, 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 dun. No, 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 no. Oh, that's clean. That is so clean. Let's just mark it down. That's so clean. If you're wondering where I'm getting these levels, 4 hour and 8 hour, they're implied fair value gaps. Okay, I need to shut up. There we go. Come on. Did we break it? Yeah, we touched it. I want to see if we could rocket fuel at that level now. Yeah, now. Like now. Come on, you got like 2 minutes to just spool over here. 2 minutes. 2 whole minutes to spool for me. So note to self, don't just get in before you read the institutional market structure. Institutional sponsorship, I mean. I have an issue where I get in and I trust that first, second quarter will always get hit. When the fact of the matter is that first, second quarter levels is a measurement. It's not an entry technique, and I keep using it as an entry technique. I guess I'll fix that along the way, but it's just I need to remind myself it's not an entry technique. It is a measurement. It's just a measurement. It's best I don't even see them get hit. Shut up. I need to stop singing that song. Come on, girl. You gotta go a little harder than that. You gotta spool for me. You gotta spool for daddy. Come on. Tag that. Rocket fuel here. If not, what's a key level that can screw me over? Well, if we trade back here to the 720, I would want to see it stay at 720. I wouldn't really want to see it go to 10 or the big figure. Oh, would it be dumb if I just got in right now? I'm so under leveraged. If I had enough capital, I'm getting in right now. Okay, first. Okay, spool. Another 5 minutes to spool. Just it has to rocket fuel, and I want to see it close at 7:30. 7:30 should have like a body just disrespecting like that. If it closes just how it is now, I'd be content, and I'd trust this getting hit. There we go. Rocket fuel. Come on. Don't embarrass me. Rocket fuel. There we go. Stronger, quicker, faster, better. I gotta see how we respond at 50 next. Come on, princess. Come on. I got a legacy to build. Come on. Rocket fuel. Push for me. One more. We got like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You know what? As long as we close above this level, I'm fine. You got a minute. You got 1 minute. Come on. 1 minute to do something awesome. I got the very last 5 seconds to do something. The very last 5 seconds. The last 5 seconds. Come on. Do it. Nope. Never mind. In a new hour. So I'm counting that if we end up going here, I can't add, but I would add. I would want to add. So now there's that concern of this looks nice. On the 2-minute, I see engineered liquidity. That's engineered. It's engineered here. I'd rather wait for it to go lower. If it goes higher without me, oh well. $36, only $2 of drawdown at the moment. Yeah, $2 of drawdown. That's good. That's more fun to see. really thought it was going to go lower. Okay. Just wait. On the 2 minute, there's relative equal lows. There's relative equal lows. That's why I got out. I guess we could start going higher and go to 70-60 and then start going lower. I'm just gonna wait. My glasses. Not bad. Not bad. I got scared out of the trade. Isn't that just funny? Huh. Alright. So let's elaborate. I got in. I was on side. I saw something on the lower time frame. Scared me out. Market will probably go to the key level I was targeting. That's going to get me angry because I was right, but being right doesn't always mean profitability. How do I grow from this? Well, what's the repeating pattern in every live stream? In every live stream, I'm telling myself, stop using the 5 and the 2 minute. You are not a 5 and 2 minute trader. You just started using it 2 weeks ago, and it's been during the live. Just because the 2 minute. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Why did I Why did I get scared? I saw these relative equal lows on the 5 minute, and I saw this PD array, yeah. And then I saw, yeah. I said this is engineered because there's that. Price started trading lower. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. It's gonna rocket fuel. Small little scalps, come on. Small little scalps. It's got rocket fuel to probably 2070. I should be smart about it. 15. Come on. Come on. Hey, give it to me. Should start taking it out higher. Should rocket fuel in these past 4 minutes. It should just keep going higher and higher. Come on. Booyah. I can't believe I got stopped out. I need to go back and study why. Why would he get out? Like the signs were there. Look. Goes to first, second quarter level. Boom. Went to first, second quarter level. Rebounds this. I could have trusted, but what was I doing? I was looking at the smaller time frame. What could I have done differently? That's all I'm trying to figure out. What could you have done differently? Right? What could have been different? Wait, am I still in drawdown? 37. Okay, so I was at -3, 6.50 plus 34.50, so minus 22 plus 37. $13 today. We made $13. You know, 13 is not bad. We made $13, so that puts us at what? 13 plus 378.91. That puts us at 391.91. That's not bad. That's not bad. Retail logic will work when it's unsigned institutional sponsorship. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah. Don't get lost in the lower time frames. Alright, let's just screenshot that. Ebb and flow, up, down, up, down, up, down. Should I just call it a day? Should I just stop here? We'd be up $13, which is not bad. Personally, I see like an entry. It's on the 5-minute dough. You know what? I'm gonna switch back to the 1 day, 16-hour layout and forget about the lower time frames. I might. I need a way to get in. Let's see. Just get in here. Rocket fuel. Should rocket fuel. Would I regret this? Should do it with speed. Should do it quicker in 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes. Actually, yeah, we have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to start going quicker, lower. Spool. Come on. Quicker. 2 minutes. 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Has to do with more speed. More speed. More speed. More speed. More speed. Way quicker than that. I don't want to see it go higher. I want to see it just go lower quicker. One minute. Yeah. I don't trust it. trust it. Yeah, I think we're bullish still. Come on. Wait, so we're so bullish. We're so bullish. Where do you want to go? I'm wrong. I was right. I think we could go back up here. So basically I'm saying I think we could go to here. There we go. Okay, fine. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not gonna get out sooner. If I take a stop, I took a stop. But you gotta understand where I'm at right now. I have little capital, so I have to manage my losses somehow. That's what I'm working with. Alright, give me a sec. I'll stop out. But I got food, so it's worth it. Let's see. How much are we down? 36.50. I'm down 46. Yeah, I'm taking a break here. I'm done. So we're down 46. It's consolidating. I'm gonna stay here till 2. Just want to see what price does. So what wrecked me today? I'm pretty sure taking that stop out, getting out early is what wrecked me. It got me upset. So I'm gonna make a note of that and realize that if I get out prematurely, I should just stay out for the rest of the day. And if you're wondering what I'm eating ceviche. Do you know what that is? It's like fish and crab. For me personally, there's 2 areas I want to see. I want to see this line get tagged, or I want to see this get tagged. This is so spicy. I like that. I like the fact that I went back there. Okay. Whatever. Damn, this is spicy. I might submit to the idea that we might not see this get tagged until next session or next day, maybe Asian session. But I do see us playing inside this candle. Man, I'm spiced out. Wait, am I still on mute? No. I'm spiced out. Okay, so we kept a $46 loss. What does that leave us at? 46. $332. I'm okay with ending it at that. It's best to manage my risk. I don't see anything clean. freezing cold. Sure. Oh, almost dropped my laptop. I want to see if I'm curious to see if like price will respect this as a PD array. If price will respect this as a PD array and start going lower at the open of 2 p.m. If that is so, then will we go down here? relative equal lows. Okay, awesome. So we are respecting that balanced price range. But we have an order block down here. Nothing too big, just relative equal highs. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys could hear my cat. He's meowing. No way. 205. Did it not stop me out? I mean, take me out? Man. Hard decisions, but I can't risk it. Yeah, I got that got out. So that's what happens when you're way too precise. Nice. So I don't regret getting out here. I regret getting in long and not going in short instead. How do I fix this? Like the issue of me getting in and out. I need to stop looking at the 5 and 2 minute. I sound like a broken disc. I really need to get some discipline. Stop using the 5 and 2 minute, and I also have to not try to get in right away. I need the discipline to just sit still and let these moves pass without me. Because every time I'm getting in and out, I'm waiting for this big move, and I realize that big move doesn't occur every hour, every minute. It occurs once a session. Okay, I feel a little bit more confident now because I'm reminding myself that the viewer codes just fast forward. So me just being silent during the live stream doesn't really matter. Because you could just fast forward it, so I don't really care at the moment. So I guess I'm chill. I'm chill right now. You know what? I'm gonna make a goal for me to be able to use a 5-minute, 2-minute with every other thing I'm using. And like a sniper. Wait, I've never used a sniper. I'm embarrassed to say, but my parents, they never bought me video games. We were too broke to buy video games. But I'm assuming a sniper like. Man, I'm gonna get so roasted for doing that. Oh, I can't edit that shit out. Oh shit, I can't edit that out. And I can't edit this reaction out either. That's cringy. That's so cringy. Guys, I swear I am who I say I am. I can do cool stuff in this market. I'm just nervous. I just got shit going on in my head at the moment. But just give me time to get confident. Give me time to get used to the 5 and the 2 minute. Just give me time to get used to the 5 and the 2 minute, and I promise I'll be good. I'll be really good at this. I'll be extraordinarily good at this. Just give me time to realize I don't have to perform every second. And I know it's going to take forever for me to get in. Well, no, it doesn't feel like forever for me, but I know like when I was first starting out, it felt forever trying to sit in front of the charts for like 4 hours. It just let me get used to that. Let me get used to sitting in front of those charts live for 4 hours, and I'll be good. I'll trade good, if that makes sense. I'll trade how I trade normally. 0.91 plus 40, 373. What was I at before? 373.91. I think break even. No, it was 78 last time. So you're telling me I'm not even at break even? Just give me time. Oh, I know there's one more trade happening. So it's not like it's not like I'm just trying to gamble. I know when they're going to set up almost every. Should I even give that information out? I know there's a new setup coming in, and I want to take that one because it's gonna put me in profit, and that's the whole point of this, to make profit. But it's another like hour of waiting, and I could do it. I don't mind. Oh shit! Can I do it now? Which one's more likely to occur? No, one's more likely. It's going down first. Yeah. I've missed the regular trading hours. Just go down here. Come on. Man, takes this out, it's like game over. It's like set. It's just done. Set and done deal. Got 22 minutes, 7 minutes. We got like 2 minutes. Takes this out, I'm like, it's a set and done deal. It's just given to me. Oh baby, come to me. Come on. You're set and done deal. Oh yeah. Not much now. Just, I gotta just sit still. Come on, baby girl. All you gotta do is spool now. Completely just spool. I don't like that. Oh no. What just happened? I did not lower my stop too soon. It should have just gone lower. Either I'm offside and this wants to go higher, or the logic just doesn't work. I'm sitting out because this should have rocket fuel and it didn't, so that means we're actually going to try and go back higher. Target would be that. That would be my target. How did I miss that? Goofy. Oh, you're so goofy. How do I miss that? How do I miss that? Yeah, well, that's my target right there. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's annoying. That is so annoying. It's gonna be give and take. I gotta wait. It's gonna be high resistance. Right now, I just want to see it consolidate, just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And by 3:15, I want to see it start going higher. I'm done. Let's see how much draw. So I'm back where I started. I haven't lost anything. $331.41. Yeah, I guess what I have to work on is being more methodical, not rushing into getting in. I still think we're going back up here. I'm getting in way too early. Way too early, and the stop, I guess my stops aren't bad. I'm allowed to have like a 30 handle stop. My stop is below 30. I mean, yeah, my stop is below 30 handles. You know, in my future, I see a really great trader in me. I see a really, really, really good trader. I'm just not there yet. And that's okay. You know, I'm telling myself, you know, it's going to take time for you to be as good as you are in your head. It's going to take a while for me to get good at what I know, right? It's going to take a while, but I know that it's there. It's obvious that I know a little bit, right? I know, like, okay, key level, key level. It's it's there, or like on the 2 minute. I called this in advance, key level. I knew I wanted to go there, missed it, got back in because I missed it. Um, got in here early. I got in here early, right? So stop. I put my stop down here, or I put my stop down here, and got stopped out. It was not 30 handles. It was probably 15 handles. Should I just actually leave my stop 30 handles wide? I feel like if I did, no, I feel like 30 handles wide is just irrational. I think what really gotta work on is just being what do you call it? Being patient. I just gotta wait for the key levels to get hit. And if that doesn't work, then I guess I will just have to widen my stop a little more. Because here, I went short here, got stopped out, right? The market did end up going lower. Wider stop, maybe a wider stop, and just being more patient. That's all I need. Wider stop and more patient, and I'll won't be in such drawdown. So we're ending the day with 331 with 41. Not 41, 91. Give me a sec. Yeah, 41, never mind. 331 with 41. I guess what could change the narrative from seeing price go up here would be the implied, not implied, implicit fair value gap. I like that. It goes down there. Stop down here. There we go. I'll be right back. I realized another issue that I'm facing is I'm trading the physical chart. I'm not really trading the way I trade, where I look at the clock, right? I look at my clocks and I look at the far right corners of the screen. And that makes it a whole lot more easier for me to trade. Because when I'm in a trade, right, the reason I keep taking myself out prematurely is because I'm looking at the physical colors of the charts. I'm like, okay, no, this is black now, this is blue now. Now I'm scared. Instead of looking at the clock and just seeing, oh, it's 3:06. Okay, I'm fine. It's 3:06. I'm good. We're at 21:70:20. I'm fine. I'm like good. This is good. We're good. But instead, I have to make it impossible and start looking at the colors of the charts, and that's not the way I trade. That's not the way I do things. But I'm really glad I'm acknowledging this. You know, it's best for me to acknowledge all my mistakes than try to cover them under the rug and be like, no, there's no issues here. It's completely okay. When there's a big lump in the carpet, you know, I have to make sure I'm aware of the things I'm doing wrong so then I can improve on them. But it's not fun hearing all the mistakes you make. It's 3:07. I could relax. We got till 3:15. Anything. This is how I view the chart. You know what? I'll give you some insight. Anything before 3:15 at the moment, it's a Judah swing. So that's why when I look at the colors, I'm like, oh, okay, it's going to my take profit. I'm good. But no, even if it's blue, even if it goes to consequential encouragement, I should view it as a Judah swing until 3:15. Until 3:15, I'll pay attention to the chart. But at the moment, I don't see anything rational. It's gonna be just a Judah swing. No matter the color, no matter the close, no matter the open, it's a Judah swing to me at the moment. And that's the issue. When I'm looking at the 2 and 5 minute charts, I see a bunch of colors up, down, and I'm not really looking at the clock and going, no, it's just not the time. It's like, no, I should ignore it. I see it, and it looks like it's going to my key level, but it's not. It's not. And if it does, it's not the time for it to leave, though. I used to ride the bus, and when the bus guy would be ahead of schedule, he would stop at a stop and wait there until he's aligned with schedule. And that's basically what this was. The bus came early, so the bus had to consolidate a little bit and then start trading lower. The bus is consolidating. I gotta wait for it to get back in schedule. And it's not the time yet. 3:15, 3:30. I'll pay attention. So then I'm just gonna analyze, look. It's 3:15. I guess it wants to consolidate until 3:30. 5 minutes. You know, this is so much more easier now. Like, all I'm doing is looking at the clock, and I feel a whole lot more relaxed, more at peace. It's easy for me to trade when I'm not in my head. It's easy for me to hold on to a trade when I'm not in my head. It's just so much more less intense than I am. It's really more intense when you're looking at the candles, when you're looking at the colors of the candles. You know, because I think when I first started, all I was doing was looking at the color of the candles. When I say institutional sponsorship, you might think, oh, just look at the color, right? Look at what it's saying, what it's doing based off the body, but it also has to refer to time. And live streaming, it's almost like I invert back to a neophyte, right? ICT term, neophyte. It's almost I go back to my old ways of shit. I'm scared now. I'm scared. I'm gonna do the logical thing, right? Logic. The brain is not smart. The brain is a computer. The brain is not, and then it's not the soul that makes the decisions. The brain is not that smart, right? So when it's in panic mode, right? When it's anxious, when it's scared, it wants a rational solution. But when it comes up with a rational solution, it's not rational to the logic on how to resolve an issue, right? In the sense of when I'm in panic, right? I'm looking at the colors and I see blue, and that means get in. Blue means up, but blue means down. Blue does not mean yes, it's going higher. Blue means it wants to start going lower, right? You see black, because I was seeing black. I was seeing black when I was going short. Oh, black, good to go short. No, black, good to go up. And the only way I could overcome this is just by going back to my fundamentals. I guess talking. I feel talking helps me a lot. Just talking about what I'm going at the what's happening in my head at the moment. It helps me listen to myself and hear what I'm trying to say, and it helps me regulate myself and realize, okay, just look at the clock. Look at the clock and look at the right side of the chart. That's all you have to do. Look at the clock, the right side of the chart, and you'll be fine. You don't have to worry about anything. You just gotta do what you've been doing. And that happens. You're in your head, Brian. Oh, for those who don't know, my name is Brian. You're in your head, Brian. You're watching this, and you're looking back at this, and you're looking at all the mistakes you made, and you're laughing because you're thinking, shit, I could fix all that, right? You can. And just saying you can fix it doesn't do anything. You gotta find a way to not get in your head. You gotta find a way to just have guidelines already. Because you're live streaming, you're gonna have to create newer guidelines. I know it's tiresome. I know you have a board filled with rules, but you have to create new rules, more rules, better rules to become a great trader. You know, if you want to live stream, if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to also be a day trader, you gotta create new guidelines. And the guidelines are simple. Stick to what you have now. Add some additional stuff like talk to yourself, talk to the camera about what you feel, how you feel. I know you don't want to give out all the things you have. I know you don't want to overshare, but try to talk about the emotions you're feeling. That's the only way. That's what's helped me. Just talking about the emotions I'm going through has helped me realize, okay, it's cool. Nobody's in this room with me. It's just a camera with a light on. That's it. There's no issue. There's no anxiety. I would want to go short. I'm not going to go short, but I would want to go short, and I would want to go. I guess that's another issue. Since I see so many setups, I'm like a crackhead, you know? Okay, you can see so many setups, but you can't be trading every setup. You gotta like chill. You gotta relax. You can't just get in and out because you know you can. You gotta get in and out where you know it's best for you to get in and out. Not when you know, okay, yeah, I could get in now and get like a 10 handles or such. You gotta be more methodical. Alright, let's tag that, and I want to see some real rejection lower. I guess what makes it hard is I do have concepts I'm just not willing to share. And usually when I trade, I just call them out to myself in my head. But when I'm like in my head, okay, let me make it more clear. When I'm live streaming, I'm in my head. So I have to vocally say things out loud. Because in my head right now, it's filled with storage. It's junk. So I have to say out loud. But some things I'm just not willing to share out loud because they're just you guys, I know nobody would understand the language I've created, but second of all, if I just live stream and I just say things that appear every day, people are going to catch on and they're going to steal it from me, and I'm not ready to just give things for free yet. I can't overshare, so somehow I think maybe if I have like my journal with me, I'll just write it down, like I'll just write down the number and the time, and I'll be like, okay, it's this time. Look at that key level. Wait until that key level gets hit. Because many times, as you can tell, I get in and out, in and out, in and out. Because I'm one, I'm not vocalizing, and two, I'm in the lower time frames. So I gotta fix myself from going to the lower time frames, and I also have to be able to overcome those thoughts of, oh, you gotta place a trade. Oh, they're looking at you. Well, not looking at me. I know it's like, I think the viewers are gonna get bored of this. Nobody's gonna watch you. Nobody's gonna care. And I think that's the best mindset to have. Nobody's gonna watch me. Nobody cares. Like, dude, relax. That's the mindset I'm trying to lean into. But then when I take a loss, that's where it gets worse. That when I take a loss, it's where my thoughts start going like, damn, you talk all this game and you're taking losses. It's part of trading, but I just feel like some losses are just not necessary. Like when I know a loss, I know when I see something not there and I take a loss because of it, I'll accept that as a loss. Okay, that was a loss. I didn't see it. But when I take a loss and I know I'm 100% correct, that's where I get upset because I'm like, okay, you're rushing to getting in. Imagine riding a bike, right? You know how to ride a bike, but yet you're putting training wheels on yourself and you're falling. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, why are you falling? You have training wheels on, and yet you know how to ride a normal bike, but yet you're falling with training wheels on. It's annoying. Oh shit, what? It's gonna actually start going lower, and you knew that before the fact, and you saw this before the fact? Yes, I know, I can, and I talk a good game, but I need, one, tone it down, be more humble, be more humble, and maybe I won't feel so much pressure. Be more humble, understand that it's going to take longer than I want it to take to fully be what I know I could be. And OCD, if you could watch my new YouTube video, I talk about how it gets in my head. Last night I went to sleep with a big headache, woke up with a big headache, and today while live streaming, I have to do meditations constantly of relax, you're in your head, just chill. And that gets in the way. And then taking a loss adds to it. I only share these things with you because I know if I just trade and I don't give you the insight on what's going in my head, you're going to just think, oh, it's simple. It's so easy for him, but it's not. And right now at the moment, you can't say that because I take a lot of losses. But later on, I hope you can appreciate the honesty with where I am mentally. Like it's hard for me to focus. Okay, so we were at 331.41 because we took all those losses. So 331.41 plus 52.50, 383.91. And what were we at? We were at, subtract 378.91. We made $5. $5. Awesome. I'm actually good. I'm happy. $5. I'll take $5. I'll take $5. That's good. That's good. I don't know if you remember, but there was a balanced price range that I was talking about. I don't think you remember. But if you go back, awesome. Look at that. Sex on the beach. Have you ever had... Okay, I shouldn't go there. But it's awesome, right? Isn't it awesome? Isn't this awesome? I call that in advance. Look at the bodies. Comes back up. Goes back to the implied fair value gap. It's beautiful. When I set my mind straight and I go back to my fundamentals of just looking at the clock, and I'm not joking. I literally just look at the clock. I don't look at the charts. I just look at the clock, and I look at right here, and I know exactly how to get in and out. It sounds crazy, right? It sounds impossible, but that's what I've been doing, and that's what gave me the confidence to start live stream, because I use clock and I use time. I use the clock, and I use price. Time and price. Basically what ICT has been teaching, but not really, because he doesn't teach what I know, but I know that he knows what I know. I don't know. Whatever. But that's it for today. That's basically $5. Wow. Well, I'm glad that well, actually, the goal for today was not to make money. The goal for today is this at the moment, just to understand that where am I emotionally when I'm doing this, right? And we've learned. You're getting in too soon. You are getting in multiple trades based off the lower time frames, and you're also prematurely getting out because of what? The lower time frames. And because you are what? Worried that you will take a loss. Let's just fix this. I'm gonna fix those issues and I'll come back a better trader. I'm done. Actually, I want to see the 350 macro. Not to trade, I like it. It turns me on. Like, it's so nice. Like 350 macro, if I had to trade any time, it would be the 350 macro. 350 macro, that's the one you want to be in. You know, that's the one you want to trade every day. And if you're wondering, do I have any risk management? Yeah, I do. It was always, let's see how many. 29, 7, 6, 16, 32, 11, 22, 11, 32, 16. How much is that? It should be below 60. So I had a mental stop at 60 handle. I mean, $60, basically 30 handles. 32.50 plus 16.50. Yep, that's perfect. That's literally perfect. Oh, wait, never mind. No, that's actually perfect. 60.50. My stop, I actually do have some risk management since I'm in such low drawdown. 60. As long as I'm like above, as long as I don't hit $60, I'm all in. I'm able to get in and out. I did hit 60. Here, but I saw the entry and I took it. I guess you could say, okay, once I got this, I should have been out of the market. Yeah. Actually, I don't like that. I'm not gonna justify that. I broke my rules. Oh, yeah. After this, I should have been done. I guess that's another thing I want to fix. Oh yeah, no, I don't like that. I actually do have risk management. I don't like that. I should have stopped trading after this. Why didn't I stop? I think I didn't stop. Oh, okay. I didn't stop because 37. Well, let's see. 34. Wait. I had $2, 22, 37. Oh, I think okay, I'm good. Yeah, but 60 I'm good because this didn't reach 60. But my mental stop is $60. I can't lose more than $60. As long as I haven't hit that 60 mark, I'm good to trade. So it wasn't just me getting in and out trying to gamble. I have a risk management. Like I said, I want to wait for the 350 macro. It's hot. I like it. She's my babe, you know. These are the things I would edit out. Like the sniper bullshit I did, dude. I was like, oh, after I did it, I was like, what did you just do? In my head, I was like, what the fuck did you just do? And I regret doing that. If I could edit the live stream, I would have taken that out. But in my head, I'm thinking like, all right, be like a sniper. Just be methodical. Just be what's that word? It starts with a D. I don't know. It starts with a D, but it's just hunt your prey. Right? This would be my prey. Look at it. Take your shot. And boom. Like sex on the beach. It's awesome. When I'm alone, I like looking at the market. Does that make sense? Like, you know, Da Vinci, he would look at his paintings. Every PD array, every up, down, close, it's like my art. It's like a sunset, you know. And I live in California. I know a thing or two about sunsets. This is my sunset, and I'm just looking at each individual cloud, and it's beautiful. To me, it's beautiful. Like right here, like these are the things that go unnoticed. Like right here, that's a implied fair value gap. Right there, the smallest little fair value gap is going to be responded to. Just wait for the close. Just look at how it's going close, like on top of it or near it, and that gives me narrative. Just wait for it. I want to see it close inside it. It's like art. It's beautiful. And then again, if it closes below it, that's strong institutional sponsorship that we're going lower. We could try and hit this. Probably, we're most likely try and go down here. Yeah, most likely try and go down here. But look how we close inside her. Wait for it. Boom, right there. Wait, did he just call out where it was gonna close? Wait. Yeah. Just please, just give me some time to get confident, get good at this. I got shit that will knock your socks off. I know things that actually I since I have OCD and I overthink a lot, I wonder if I overshare, if I like do what I know I could do, will I get like in trouble? Like I had like so many intrusive. You want to know how OCD works? I had a bunch of thoughts of, man, what if I get so good? Well, no. What if I show how good I am, and some mobster, right? I get emails from mobs wanting me manage their money? What if I get so good at this? What if like the IRS starts knocking on my door and goes, how are you able to do that? You're stealing from the government. You know secret information. And fuck, I don't know. And I don't want to go in jail just for trading. It's OCD. It's not that, yeah, it's OCD. It's just like intrusive thoughts like that get me at times. Where they make me laugh because I'm not like I'm not diagnosed OCD, but I know through the meditations, through through the books I've read, I know it's just like a intrusive thought. But those intrusive thoughts get to me. I'm thinking, man, what if one day I just get in trouble for doing this? I get in trouble for just showing how good I am in the market. And I know that sounds so arrogant, sounds so cocky. I try not to be cocky. I try to be more humble. But I just know that I could do this, like what I just did there. I could do it more than once. And I don't know whose toes I'm gonna be stepping on. I know I'm gonna step on a couple toes in the future. I know. I just hope it doesn't get me in trouble. And if it does, this is all satire. This is all satire. Fully satire. I just got lucky with that. Super satire. I don't know anything about the markets. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to time the market. I'm getting in trouble. I hear a knock on my door. they're gonna say you got secret information. Man, I'm gonna get myself locked up. No, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. It was all AI generated. It was all after the fact. It was all AI. I'm not even real. Two minutes and the macro should start. We have that right there. We have this right here. I want to see which one of these gets hit first, and that's going to give me my narrative. You know who inspires me? Like, Carl Magnus. He's a chess player. That guy. That guy inspires me to be more silent when I trade. Because when he's doing chess, he's not trying to make a spectacle of it. He's not trying to impress people. He's not trying to make it entertaining. He knows that what makes it entertaining is the chess itself. I don't want to make trading entertaining because I'm entertaining. I want to make trading entertaining because the trading itself is entertaining. So I'm looking at different people and their different careers, like Carl Magnus in chess, Kobe Bryant in basketball, Dennis Rodman in basketball. I'm looking at how they're good at their little thing, and I'm trying to see how do I take that essence of being in the zone, because I'm not in the zone at the moment. Wait for me to get in the zone, but I'm not in the zone in the moment. So I'm trying to take from those people and see how do they get in the zone? How are they? Ooh, 350 never fails. It never fails. Did you see that? Never does it ever fail. It's so precise. It's so clean. It's all computerized. It's so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. So clean. So clean. What other things have helped me? I think in the YouTube video, I talk about my faith in Christ. Jesus Christ is my God, and He's helped me a lot. I only mention Him constantly because how can I not? It's God Almighty. How can I not? He's helped me through this. He's helped me in every aspect of my life, and I can't go a day or a live stream without just mentioning his name. And if you watch movies, right, and almost every movie, his name is brought up. Next movie you watch, just pay close attention for the name Jesus, and he's always brought up. You think it's a coincidence? He's always brought up. He's in everything. He's behind everything. You know how ICT says, look for the fingerprints, the market maker's fingerprints in the market? Well, look for Jesus' fingerprints in your life. Yeah, look for his fingerprints, and you'll notice that they're all over you. They're all over your life. They're all over my life. So I can't not go without mentioning his name, because he's helped me so much. He's my Lord. And it might seem like I'm like always suffering, like I'm struggling with something, but I'm not, because I have him, and he gives me that strength to keep moving forward. Okay, so we're going here. I want to see how we respond here, and maybe we could go back up here. That's the thing. Waiting for it to go here would take like 30 minutes. Waiting for it to go here would take another hour. And that's what I mean, like, man, I'm trying to get in and in quick. I don't want to take so long, and that's not my model. My model is like, dude, take 4 hours. Take the whole trading day if you have to. Because it takes a long time for my setups to form. A long time. But that 2 minute, I'm telling you, if I was a scalper, the 2 minute looks fun. It looks like a lot of fun. It's just, I can't trade the 2 minute. I would need like a fourth screen. If I had like, well, I have 4 screens. If I had a 5th screen, if I had 5 screens, I'd probably be able to scalp. But nah, it's like a waste of time in my. Yeah, at the moment it would be like a waste of time, because I don't have a 5th monitor, and I can't spend money on another one, because my PC, it glitches with 3. Now imagine with 5. Imagine with a 4th one. It's just gonna be glitching. The live stream won't be as nice. I'll just sacrifice scalping for a good live stream. Now, you're looking at this and you're thinking, shoot, it failed. No, it didn't. If it goes up here, tags that. This is engineered. This is still my PD array. I would want to go short. So that's the thing. When I'm waiting on a setup, because I'm thinking of the live stream, because I'm thinking of the viewers, I'm thinking, okay, try and get in quicker. I can't. I literally can't. I can't. I have to literally wait, because stuff like this happens where, let's say I went short here because I'm like, okay, it's gonna go. Well, that's basically what I did over here, right? I went in short because I'm like, okay, it's gonna just go here. But guess what? This candle took me out. Where's this going? We got that right there. This candle took me out because I was assuming, okay, it's gonna go here. I can't just get in because it's nearby. That's the thing. I can't just get in because the PD array is nearby. I still have to follow the narrative. Oh my, come on. Isn't that nice? Come on, doesn't that turn you on? This is my next. This is next. That turns me on. If it doesn't do it today, it's gonna do it tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Asian session. If it doesn't do it right now, in the next 5 minutes, it's gonna do an Asian session. Possibly even, what do you call that? After hours? Right? Like after like 4, it's called after hours. I mean, after 3, it's like after hours, isn't it? Whatever. Rocket fuel. I would say that this low should cost rocket fuel. That one right there. Let's say rocket for me. Rocket fuel lower is what I want to see it do. Unless they want to hold inside this range, and they will just take it down there later on. I don't care. I'm not trading. I'm done. I'm done. You probably watch me and you see me get in and out the market so many times. You're probably wondering, does he know any self-control? I do. I do. I just know when to get in and I know when to get out, and I know when a stop out is real. Wait, how do I explain that? I know when I am wrong and I know when I'm not wrong. So when I get stopped out and I know I'm right, okay, I guess you could say that is gambling. That pisses me off because I know I'm right on the direction of and the narrative. I'm just trying to get in and out. I guess I gotta work on that patience, being more patient. I need to go piss, but I don't want to miss this. Oh, they're holding it. They're holding it. Do you? No, we don't have any news. Okay, come on, rocket fuel. Spool for daddy. Come on, baby girl. Oh yeah, quicker, stronger, faster, better. Now. Oh yeah. Come on, a little more, a little more, a little more for me. She's just collecting more of those buy stops. Oh yeah, more buy stops. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Now rocket fuel a little more. You got like 40 seconds. I guess she didn't want to do it today. That's okay. Like that right there. Oh wait, maybe she doesn't want to do it. Oh, quicker, faster, better. Yeah, she does want to do it quicker, faster, better. A little more, baby. A little more. Come on, do it for me. Come on, a little more. Stronger, quicker, faster. You got like 10 seconds. There we go. Wasn't that awesome? Oh, damn. Wait, some things. Oh, damn. That's funny. Because I would say, this is pretty cool. It would have been awesome if I could just call that one. Wait, why did that happen, though? Manipulation. I can't always. When they're manipulating it, I can't predict it. I can't. Like that, that's random. That's random. Yeah, I can't control that. I can't not know. I can't know when they're gonna do something like that. I'm looking for my economical calendar. Yeah, no news. Yeah, I can't know when they're gonna manipulate it like that. This is random. And the only way I know it's random is because we have relative equal lows. We have that down there. We should have stopped there. It's also like after hours. That's my target. Right there. Alright, yeah, I'm content with what happened today. I really like that. On the 2 minute, it looks insane. On the 5 minute, that's... Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's my target. That's it for today. I had fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.